Hello students, welcome back. Today we will do the exercises and the question answers of Man Learns to Fly of class 3. Let's start. Question number 8-2. Complete the following statements. First attempt individually and then compare your answers with your partners. First, when people saw birds and kites in the sky, they were determined to fly like them. Second, many people got injured and many were killed when they jumped off high mountains in order to fly. Third, the very first balloon was made of thin linen and paper, and it was filled with hot air. Fourth, the first balloon with a man in it rose to a height of 900 meters. Question number 8-3. Answer the following questions briefly. 1. When was the hot air balloon made? Who made it? The hot air balloon was made in 1783. Jacques and Joseph Montgolfier made it. Second, in what ways was the second attempt successful? In the second attempt, the balloon traveled through the air for a short time and gently came down with the three animals safe inside. Third, describe the first flight of man. This time, the balloon rose to a height of 900 meters and covered a distance of 10 kilometers. A4. The sentences given below tell the story of how man learned to fly, but they are jumbled up. Number them in their proper order. Work in pairs. In this question, the given sentences are in jumbled form. We have to number them in their proper order. This was the first time men had traveled through the air. This is sentence 6. The two brothers sent up another balloon with a basket carrying three animals. Sentence 4. People always wished to fly up in the air. Sentence 1. In 1783, two brothers built a hot air balloon which was made up of linen and paper. Sentence 3. Some of them tried to fly with the help of artificial wings, but they got killed. Sentence 2. A month later, the two men themselves went up in a balloon full of hot air. Sentence number 5. So this way you have to put the correct numbering against each sentence. A5. Find words from the text which have the following meanings. In this question, we have to find the words from the chapter which have the given meanings. 1. Firmly want to do something. It means determined. 2. You do it to find out what will happen. Experiment. 3. Lack of success. Failure. 4. Cloth made of flax, linen. 5. Come or bring together. Gather. So these are the words. Now next is question number A6. Fill in the blanks with the words you have written in A5. Now using the words from A5, we have to fill in the given blanks. First, This experiment proved that the earth is round. Second, I am determined to learn swimming. Third, the boy wanted to gather his ship. 4. A failure does not discourage me. 5. Linen is a rough cloth. A7. Find from the text the words opposite in meaning to those given on the left. One has been done for you. In this question, we have to write the opposites of the given words. High, low. Safe, dangerous. Fast, slow. Outside, inside. Long, short. A8. Take the correct spellings. Now in this question you can see in every point 2 spellings are given, of which one is correct and another is wrong. So we have to put a tick against the correct spellings. First, BELIEVE, believe, and BELIEIVE. Second one is wrong, first is correct, BELIEVE. Second, DANGROUS. This is the wrong spelling. The correct spelling is DANGEROUS, dangerous. Third, BALOON. This one is wrong. The correct spelling of balloon is BALLOON. 4. HIEGHT. Again this is wrong. The correct spelling of height is HEIGHT. Fifth, KILOMETRE. This is the correct one, kilometer. Sixth, TRAVELLED, travelled. And the second one is TRAVELED, travelled. So second one is wrong, the first one is the correct one. 7. GATHER, gather. And second is GETHER, gather. So second one is wrong. In 7 also, first one is correct. That is GATHER. So these were the exercises of this chapter. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.